Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use drafted filleted pocket. Today CATIA lecture 21 discuss here, and previous lecture CATIA lecture 20 discuss here, and CATIA lecture 20 is a pocket, and next lecture 21 is a drafted filleted pocket. Okay, today drafted filleted pocket is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, at first CATIA software open. Okay, this is a undo. Okay, this point is a drafted filleted pocket. Okay, this pocket is not active, but some sketching, some drawing is a sketch, then all point is active, all command is active. Okay, at first select a plane is XY plane. Okay, and this is a and a sketch is a any rectangle. Sketch, exit, draw a pocket. Okay, this is a miss some discuss here. Okay, this point is a new plane. Okay, some start mechanical and part. Okay, this is select a plane is XY plane. Sketch, and a rectangle is draw. Okay, and exit, and part is drawing here 30 mm. Okay, this, and this face is select here. Okay, this face, sketch, normal, and select a rectangle, draw here. Okay, this is use a drafted filleted pocket. Okay, exit, and this is a active drafted filleted pocket, and this is a click here, and this is a depth is 30, some depth is, this point is a half. Okay, half is more, and this no selection, second limit, first limit is distance maintain, and second limit is a this design is created, this design is, this drawing is a sketch, then at first select a face. Okay, then this second limit is a this face select. Okay, and this is preview is showing. Okay, this preview is showing, and and this is a angle is drawing here, this preview is showing. Okay, and this is a lateral radius means this is a 5 mm, 5 mm, and 5 mm. Three lateral radius, first limit radius, second limit radius, 3 radius is equal, and some increase point, then change the 3D design. Okay, first is lateral means this face is this previous is this first, and this is a change. Okay, preview is showing, again change first, then this is a this point, and this is a okay, some discuss this point is a okay, preview is showing, and this is a change. Some less 8, this is a change. Okay, and next is a first limit radius. This is a increase. This point is a this first limit radius. Okay, this is a change. Okay, this is a first limit radius, and this second limit radius is a change. This is a second limit radius. Okay, this is a upper side a second limit radius, and lower side inner side is a first limit radius. Okay, increase again 10, this preview is showing, and this is a 12, preview is showing, this is a showing, and last is a all is complete, then is okay, this is a okay. And okay, this body is rotate here. Okay, Control Z, undo. Okay, and this body is rotate here. Okay, okay, and double click here. Okay, this is a not work. This is a dimension is okay, preview is showing. Okay, this is a okay, undo point. This point preview not work. Okay, okay, this body is color change. This body is pocket, and this body pad. Color change, this property is pink color. Okay, and this pocket is this point, this, and this edge is okay, all is color change. This point okay, this okay, okay, and this is a color change is also here, separate color change. This is a okay, and this body is also color change. This is a green color. Okay, and this body is also here, color change is okay, yellow color. Okay, separate color change is drawing this body is clear. Okay, 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 guys, CATIA lecture 21 is discussed clearly, and CATIA lecture 22 is coming soon. Okay, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay, guys, thank you.